nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Welcome back to my channel. For today, I will cook shirataki rice. This is a low-carb and low-calorie rice substitute.
It is made largely of water and highly soluble dietary fiber.
One pouch is about 70 to 90 pesos depending on where you will buy it. They say that one pouch is good for 2 servings, but I don't think so. It's like 1 cup of rice per pouch. Now, let's begin. First, let's drain the rice. The fish sauce smell is normal. We can just simply wash it off. In close-up, it looks like this. I prefer to wash it thoroughly. Then boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes in 4 to 6 cups of water. Once done, drain it again. Then, dry fry it into a non-stick pan for 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes firmer. This is tasteless and really mimic the feeling of eating a regular rice. After 5 minutes. We can now transfer it to our plate. The fish sauce smell is already gone. This will definitely satisfy your cravings for rice. Eat it while it's warm and enjoy. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy cooking ideas.